Yo, sup all? Welcome back to Science Case. And today we're gonna check if magnetism has any effect on sound. Let's get started. First, the things we need are a battery source. I'm using microbit here, and an active buzzer, and any strong magnets of your own choice. I'm using neodymium. So first let me show you how the buzzer beeps. Here goes the beep. Now I'm gonna move the north pole of the magnet towards the buzzer. Let's see what happens. Here goes 3, 2, 1. Okay, here the frequency of the buzzer is changed to the higher one. Now what about changing the polarity to the south pole? Let's check that too. Three, two, one, go. Here goes. So what we have observed that if I take the south pole of the magnet towards the buzzer, the frequency reduces to a point from which we can't hear. And if I use the north pole, this is the north pole, if I bring it towards the buzzer, the frequency shoots up. So why does this happen? As we know, if the circuit is closed like this, there is a magnetic field going around. So once you bring a powerful magnet like a neodymium, it tends to change the magnetic field of the circuit. So as it changes, there's a disc inside the buzzer which vibrates to produce sound when it receives voltage. That disc gets attracted or repelled, which makes the frequency to reduce or increase. So let's try it one last time. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm doing with the north pole. Now the south pole. So here you go. So conclusion is that magnetism does affect sound. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. Thank you.